So Richard, tell us all about MILL5.
Thank you. Well, MILL5, we're here at the AI Summit meeting customers. We are a high-end boutique consulting company founded in 2015. Our headquarters is in Boston. Over the many years, we've grown. So we started off as a US-based company, but now we have offices in 4 countries. Of course, here in the United States, Colombia, Argentina, and Ukraine. All right, so we no longer refer to us as just a US-based company, but a global company helping our customers.
So you're around the world, but can you tell us any specific industries you're working in at all?
Sure. We predominantly are an industry agnostic company. We focus on many different industries, but we predominantly focus on 3 main industries. First one being financial services. We have a huge background in financial services across many different types of financial services: sell side, buy side, asset management, insurance industry, banking. So, we do have a lot of financial services customers. The next one is healthcare, but more specifically, medical devices. We have a big background in IoT, cloud, and AI. We'll talk in a minute, but we have a very interesting approach on how to leverage medical devices. And the final one is one where we lump a couple industries together because they tend to have all the same problems. And this is the manufacturing, utilities, and energy space. We find that they are very similar, and we tend to focus on those and do well in there.
So can you give us some of the people you're working with overall?
Sure. You'll see on the background here, we have a video of how we work with Olympus. We work with customers like Wayfair, Fidelity, Emerson Electric, Unitil, a few others, SoCal Edison, Wellhead Power Solutions. So we have a wide array of customers around the world. So,
can you give us some examples of some of the work you've done with these people?
Sure. Like I've said, we're an innovative software solutions company. We tend to be brought in for some of the most gnarly, challenging problems that customers are trying to solve. Some of our customers, I'll give you a couple examples. The first one being, we work with a medical devices company that was a in-room surgical device company during surgeries. They were a 10-plus-year-old company. They knew nothing about cloud and AI and IoT, and they had challenges of, hey, our device is in the surgical room. But they were looking for new revenue streams and new opportunities, and we were able to come in, reimagine what they were doing, and helping them understand cloud, helping them understand AI, and helping them understand IoT. We helped them build a solution that offered a new revenue stream for them. And I remember the day that they launched, this is a couple years ago, the VP of engineering sent an email out to the entire company saying, we went from a 10-year-old traditional medical device company to a reborn in the cloud AI IoT company with new possibilities and new revenue streams. So, that's the type of thing, but we do that across many different industries. All the industries I mentioned, that's pretty common for us to do.
So you're here at the AI Summit. There's a load of vendors here, but what sets MILL5 apart from everybody else?
First off, we're not like anybody else. That's the first thing you need to understand. We consider ourselves 1% of the 1%. We're very talented, very smart. We love what we do. We're very passionate about it. And we have that level of passion. In our DNA is learning, within our culture and things like that. We tend to have an expertise that is well beyond your average architect or your average developer, and we're able to solve the most difficult problems. A great example is we have customers with 4,000 developers, right? But they come to us to help them solve the most difficult challenges, work with those developers, upskill them, and drive the business, not just write code and architect things, but actually make transformative, situations reality.